Hey guys, it's Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Thank you for joining us for today's recipe. Super flavorful recipe today. We're gonna be doing some Traeger sugar roasted almonds. And I'll tell you, we've got a perforated grilling pan in there. We're gonna get all of that flavor up through the almonds. We're starting off with salted almonds today, so we're gonna get a little bit of sweet, a little bit of salty, but I think you'll see, very easy recipe. We just put them on the Traeger, let the Traeger do all the work. So thanks for hanging out with us. Let's get cooking. All right, from an ingredient standpoint, very, very easy today. We start off with 1 pound of almonds, and I have roasted salted almonds, giving it that sweet, salty beauty, right? Then we have a cup of cane sugar, which if you know me, you know I love cane sugar. It's very robust and hearty. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. We are gonna add a ½ teaspoon of allspice. We've got 2 egg whites here that we mixed up just a little bit, and then we're gonna hit those with a tablespoon of water as well. The star of the show today, we're gonna be cooking on the Traeger stainless steel grill basket, and the beauty of this, look at that, we've got all those perforations in there. We'll be able to lay those almonds on there, get all that smoke flavor up around, getting it really that 360-degree wood-fired fun. Okay, the first bowl, we need to go ahead and add our sugar, and then we're gonna add our cinnamon and allspice as well. Now, here's my chef's tip. If you want a little more cinnamon or a little more allspice, absolutely, this is your palate. You can do exactly what you want. Now, get these all mixed up and we are set. We'll set that sugar aside. Now it's time to go ahead and add our egg whites and our water. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and whisk this until we have soft peaks. So we'll get that all set. Takes just a few minutes, but we're gonna go ahead and get this all whisked in, and then we'll get ready to finish this off, get these sugared, and we'll be ready to go. All right, you can see those are just holding in there nice. We've got some great soft peaks. Now, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and add the almonds because we wanna get the almonds all coated with those egg whites. Let them soak for just a minute when we're done. That ensures that those egg whites do a good job getting in there and getting everything nice and coated. Okay, these have had a chance to soak. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our cinnamon sugar and mix these guys up as well. We want this to be nice and coated, so mix it up and then let it sit for just a minute and mix it up again. Then, right before we go onto that sheet pan, guess what? We're gonna mix it again, but you get the idea. Make sure these guys are well coated. Next, we'll let them sit, like I said. We'll make sure everything does its job getting all sugared up, and then we'll see you at the Traeger. All right, we're gonna be doing these sugar roasted almonds on the Traeger today. I'm gonna go ahead and set the temp to 325. We'll get that ignited, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my reserve blend pellets and get this all topped off. Okay, we'll go ahead and add our Traeger basket now. While the Traeger is preheating, that's gonna allow it to come up to temperature. Got it all set for 325, leave it alone, we'll let it preheat. All right, Traeger is preheated, we are set to go. I'm gonna give them one last mix, make sure I have everything set, and now, carefully, I'm just gonna sprinkle these guys on here. Now, the beauty is, these are already roasted, so all we're trying to do is really just get that sugar glaze to kind of coat and do its thing. But I'll tell you what, you're gonna be in a pretty happy place here in a little bit when we get these done, because this is a fantastic recipe. Now, we're gonna let them go. Total cook time is gonna be about an hour. I like to spread them out nice and even, like so, and then we'll come back here, probably give these guys 30 minutes to smoke and roast and do their thing. Then we'll come back and stir them up just a little bit, get everything set and ready to go. All right, here we are, about 30 minutes in. It is time to go through here, give these guys a little stir, right? We are just trying to get everything mixed up real good. And then we're gonna let them go for about another 30 minutes until they are nice and crusted over, right? You want this coating to become firm and really do its job glazing these guys. So like I said, got them all stirred up, we're ready to go. Let's let them go now again. Another half hour, we should be ready to go. So I tell you what, when you get ready to start this recipe at your house, you should be prepared to give gifts to all of your neighbors, because they're going to smell this wafting throughout your backyard, and it smells delicious. We let these cool down for about a half hour just to make sure that everything hardened perfectly, that glaze set, and we're ready to go. We've got 3 separate bowls here now. We can go through and add those guys like that and get ready to do some entertaining, celebrating, and enjoying some sugar nuts. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to our Ace Hardware YouTube channel, because that's where you're going to find amazing content like today. So click on those post notifications, click on the bell. You'll be notified when all of our recipes go live. Hey, don't forget to leave your comments down below. Let us know, what would you like to learn and how can we be more helpful, because these recipes are designed to make you that legend in the backyard cooking circuit. Then don't forget that little eye that pops up. That eye is what we call the info station, but it also means this recipe is 100% shoppable. So you'll get to see all the gear, gadgets, and grills that we use to make today's recipe. Now, coming up, we've got some other amazing videos at the end of today's video. Be sure to click on those, catch some more of our helpful content as well. I'm Chef Jason Morse, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. It is time to, well, let me rephrase that. I have already been quality controlling these for the last couple minutes, but time to eat a little bit more. Cheers. Yeah, that is a gift that keeps on giving.